So in yesterday's class, students, we discussed about the Fibonacci series, how to print the Fibonacci series or how to generate the Fibonacci series using the recursion. Okay, I given on homework also regarding that. So I hope you will do, or you will do at least today. Okay, so you want to know how to execute it. Very important that thing is. Okay, I will just move to the second slide. This is a program screenshot I shared in our WhatsApp group also. So you just execute it manually, you just execute, not in the computer. Okay, computer, if you type, if you run, means automatically this output you will get. There is no doubt at all. But how the program is executing, how the number is, how the arguments are passing from call statement to function definition, inside the function, how the argument parameters values are get changing, how the recursively, how the Fibonacci, the function is called twice. You can see in the return statement, see the pointer in the return statement, 2 times we are calling, twice we are recursively calling the function itself. Okay, so this is a new concept for you. So you want to manually, you want to execute, just to take the paper. Yesterday I thought up to the 3 or 4 terms. Okay, first 4 terms of Fibonacci series. Okay, so likewise you want to manually, now I value is this one, now num value is this one. Likewise you want to literally write and execute it in pen and paper. Okay, then only you will clearly understand the concept. I said the same thing for sorting techniques also. Certain things are there. For this you want to definitely do the manual execution instead of typing in the computer, because you, first of all, you know the concept. Okay, how the program is getting executed. Once you understood, means it will help you to create your own program. That's a point. Okay, if you are simply typing in computer and yes sir, I executed the program, it is executed well, means you know how to type only. Okay, you know the basic concept only, but you don't know how to create the code, how to set the base condition, how to recursively call the functions with the conditions, like that and all. When you will understood, means whenever you try to do manually, that time only you can able to understand this concept. That's why I'm keep on insisting you. Okay, so please try to do in the manual work. That is very good for you. Practice, you want to make the practice over the program. So I already said in the board exam, more practical question, that is a program questions only they will ask. I already said the number of times to you also. Okay, so please listen and do the execution. You just install the Pyroid in your Android phone, or else if you have the desktop computer or laptop computer, install the Python versions. Regarding installation, if you have any doubt, please ask me. I will help you to come out from the problems for the installation things I'm saying. Okay, once you successfully installed, keep on working from the basic program to till the day what are the programs we discussed. All the homework programs and all, just type and execute it. Okay, that's my advice to you students. Okay, let me see how you want to execute. That's I want to show to you. For example, you no need to put the column likewise here. Okay, but it is a for neat presentation, it is mentioned in the slide. Okay, first you want to write I equal to 0. Whenever I is 0, Fibonacci of 0, what the function is returning. Okay, what is the reason? What will be the output? Output means what the function is returned to the main program. Okay, and whenever I will be iterated, whenever I value is 1, means what is the output? Whenever I value is 2, you can see Fibonacci of 1 plus Fibonacci of 0. Okay, so what is the Fibonacci of 1 will return? What is the Fibonacci of 0 function will return? So final return is what is this? Okay, what is the final output we got? 0 1 1 will get print. Okay, then you see the first call statement, second call. This is first call, and blue color in there which is mentioned in there, that is second call statement. Okay, I hope you see the program. This is first call and this is second call, recursively calling the same function twice, 2 times. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, then finally once the I value is 3, what the concluded result, what the function is returned at finally, means this is the thing, 2 will be returned. So that will be produced, printed in the output, because in the main program we asked to print the num value, that is the value which the function is returned. Okay, whenever I value is 4. Okay, and likewise finally 0 to 4, because we given the number is 5, no, so that's why 0 to 10 it is. So likewise you want to execute more. Okay, and so on, it is mentioned. That means likewise I equal to 4, I equal to 5, likewise you want to write and execute it. This is what I'm expecting from you. You want to write literally how to execute the program, then you can understand the concept very clearly. Okay, that time if we have any doubt, sir, how the function will be called like this means, we can, I will explain definitely to you. Okay, let me go to the last program regarding the recursion.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, நாளைக்கு எத்தனை மார்க்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் சார்?
I didn't understand. When, I mean, tomorrow test you are asking. Tomorrow 30 marks.
Yeah.
Tomorrow 30 marks. 30 marks
offline
subjective.
Sir, or online sir?
Offline.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow's, very clearly I will explain. Tomorrow test is, that is coming Thursday test is offline test. Marks for maximum mark is 30 mark. Okay, last Thursday, I mean last before Thursday you return no in the paper. Likewise,
Yes,
you want
sir.
to write the in the paper, and form link I will send to you in WhatsApp group. Once the test has started,
Okay,
means then using the link you please send your answer script to me. Okay, that is the
sir,
way.
timing
And
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
timing 1 hour. 1 hour. That is 2:30. I
இல்ல
will
சார்,
post the
எத்தனை
question.
மணிக்கு?
2:30
Okay,
to
sir.
3:30. 2:30 I will post the question. 2:30 to 3:30. Suppose 4 o'clock till 4 is the maximum time allotted, because I clearly
Okay,
said
sir.
many programs will be asked. Okay, for that you want to
Okay,
think,
sir.
you want to write. Slowly you want to improve your speeding also. Speedy in the writing the code, writing the program. So that's why I'm just
Okay,
nowadays
sir.
I'm giving little bit extra time also in order to motivate you, or in order to develop your programming skill. Okay, so till 4 o'clock
Okay,
I will give the time. Before 4 you just submit your answers. Okay, it is 30 marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
and for
sir.
unit test coming 9th, July 9th, that is for 50 marks. That is completely online test. Okay, last before and all we done no. So I will share the
Yes, sir. Yes,
Google
sir.
form link. Use the link directly, you click, and it asks to sign in with the Google mail ID, Gmail account. With that account you can able to start the test. That is unit test for 9th.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me see one last example program for the recursion. Okay, this is a 5th example program. Computing GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Okay, in lower classes, 6th standard or 7th standard, you might study about that HCF, LCM, GCD. Have you studied this thing? Can you able to recall in the 7th or 8th standard like that? 6th, 7th standard, or nowadays I don't know, it may be in 4th standard also too. Okay, so these are all the basic thing. Common greatest common divisor. Okay, for example, 2 numbers are given, means in that which is the common greatest common divisor. Okay, common for to divide the number. For this program is to understand this concept. Okay, let me see this. So we get the input 1. Okay, n1, and n2 is a second input we got. Okay, GCD is a function name. We are passing 2 arguments, n1 and n2. Okay, so now you can see GCD, again the function definition, a and b are parameters. So n1 value will be passed to a, n2 value will be passed to b. Okay, suppose b if equal to 0. What is b means? Actually dividing number. For example, you can see the input also. 15, first number is 15, second number is 30. Suppose b equal to, that is 30 equal to 0 means return a, 15 itself. Okay, or else if it is means else, if else part is false means, then this return will work. What the return statement is doing? It is calling the function again. Okay, so for previous thing we call the function, then afterwards return. Okay, in this function, sorry, in this example program, we are seeing how to recursively call your function in the return statement itself. Okay, return GCD b comma a modulo division by b. Okay, what is b value? Can you say what is b value? You can see this input. 15 is first number. First number where we got
A.
That is, we are here, we got in n1 in the main program. Okay, 30 is the second number where we got n2. Okay, now we are passing n1 comma n2. So a comma b are the parameter ready to receive. So what might be the a value? What is the a value?
15 and b is
15.
13.
Yes, good. 15 comma 30, that is a and b value. So if b value is 0 means return a, it will return 15. Okay, suppose if it is b value is not 0 means, then it will call again. The function will be recursively called. What it is doing means, it will divide the number, which is the number, you can see that I will explain to you. B comma A divided by B, that is B value is 30, comma A, sorry, not A modulo division by B. A value is what? 15 modulo division by what? 30. Answer remainder is what? What is the remainder? You can see, so you can get the things 15.
0.5.
No, that is why modulo division, it won't go for the, 0.5 decimals and all, no. Generally, it will divide it. Okay. So 15 divided by 30 means 15 will be the modulo division. 15 modulo division will return the remainder only, no. Okay. So that's why what it will return 30 comma 50. Again, the function will be called. Now A value is what? 30. B value is 15. Okay,
0.
so B value is not 0. That's why again we will call B value. Now it is, that is the 15 comma A value is now here A divided by B, that is A value is 30. No, 30 divided by 15. 115 is 15, 215 30. So remainder is 0. So 15 comma 0 will be we get. Okay, again with the 15 comma 0 it will be goes. Okay, B value is now what? 15. A value is what? 0. Sorry, A divided by A modulo division B value is 0, because remainder is 0. Then we call the function again GCD A comma B. That is 15 comma B in the position of B. We got A modulo division by B. That is 30 modulo division 15. It's returned 0. So B value is 0. Yes, condition true. If B equal to 0, condition true, return A. What is return? A value return. What is the A value? 15. Now it's returned 15. Okay, so what is the common, let me come to the main program. R will be receives the value. Okay, print GCD of N1, that is 15 and N2 30 is R. What is R? 15. So what is the greatest common divisor for this number? 30 means 15 is the greatest common divisor. Have you understood? For example, 30 is the number.
Yes, sir, understood.
Which number will divide, which is the greatest common divisor? We can divide the 30 by 2, by 3, 4 it is not possible, 5 is possible, 6 is possible, 6 5 are 30, no. Likewise, if it goes means 7 it is not, 8 not, 9 not, 10 is possible. 10 means 10 will be. Okay, 3 times 3 tens are 30. Then afterwards, 11 not possible, 12 not possible, 13 it is not, 14 not, 15, 115 is 15, 2 15s are 30. So 15 is the greatest number. Okay, you can see 3 among the 2, 3, 5. What are the numbers? What are the divisor we got? 2, 3, 5, then 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, and 15. Am I right? So among that, the 15 is the greatest number. Okay, that's the program. Okay, how to use? Here is it is an example for concept is how to calculate, how to know the greatest common divisor. What is the example program means? What is the use of this example program? How to call a recursively call a function you in the return statement. Please see the pointer. How to call a recursively call a same function in the return statement. Okay, so the GCD itself, the function itself recursively called at where? At the return statement. So again, from the return, it won't generally return. It will return, again the function will be called. Okay, when the function will return, whenever this condition, if B equal to 0, no, whenever the B becomes 0, that time only return A. When I already said the return statement should be a final statement of the function definition. Okay, so return A means the function will be terminated here itself. Whenever B value is 0 means, okay, then it will return the value to the main program. Okay, have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see which is the base condition. I already said in
F
recursion
is
program.
if B is equal to 0.
Yes, B double equal to, that is B equal to 0. That is the base condition. I already said recursion function base condition is very, very, very important. Once we missed the base condition means, or once we didn't properly set the base condition means, definitely what will happen? The program will continually, it will execute. There is no stop for that. Okay, then finally what will happen? all the computer memory, system memory will be occupied or dumped. Finally, the computer will be hanged with the things. Okay, so we should be very careful about that by setting the base condition. Okay, so that is very important and necessary also too. Okay, I hope we completed the recursion concept. Let me go to the next concept in the chapter 5. Okay, do you have any doubt in the recursion?
No, sir.
Okay, so we have discussed the concept. Short recap of recursion. What is recursion? Okay, a function itself it is calling, that is called recursion. That type of process, that type of functions calls are called as recursively it is calling. Okay, so this concept is called recursion. Okay, what are the important points in the recursion? Means setting the base condition. Okay, so the base condition, passing arguments or the base condition is very much essential. Okay, so that is very important thing. Okay, and we have seen two both practical programs also. One is factorial program and second one is Fibonacci series program. So two programs are definitely most probable to ask in the board practical exams. So the two programs you must execute it in manually as well as in computer. Okay, you want to get thorough in these two programs. Okay, so because it is a board based program, definitely 30 marks in the hand, it is in the practical things. Okay, be prepared for that also, side by side. Okay, I'm clearly saying which are all the board program, which is not. Okay, so rest of the programs, it is not like that, it is not important. Definitely that programs will ask in theory exams. Okay, board exams, definitely this program Fibonacci series also might be asked in board theory exams also too. Okay, so these are all the very important concepts. So these are the things we have seen, and some of unnatural numbers we have seen, how to use recursion. Okay, and computing or calculating the finding the greatest common divisor by using recursion, how to do that. That also we have seen today. Okay, so let me go to the next concept. Okay, that is also very important concept. This is it is a very basic for the upcoming chapters. Okay, that I will explain that. That is called searching. Okay, binary searching. Actually, you can see, you are able to see the slide also. Two type of searches are there. One is linear search and binary search. Okay, what is linear search? Let I will explain it. Okay, already it is, you can see in the slide, it is in the 12th standard. That is sorry, 11th standard itself we covered, but anyhow I will explain it. What is linear search? Means searching an element one by one. That is called linear search. Okay, for example, what list contains, the basic is list. Okay, the list is a basic data type. In the list 10 numbers are there. Okay, you want to write a program to find a specific number only. How can you write the program? Can anyone can explain? How will you write a program to search a particular element in a list? For example, list contain 1 to 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise 10. Okay, then the user may give you a specific number. The program want to tell whether the number is in which position the number is present in the list. Okay, and it want to tell whether the number is present in the list or not. If it is present, means at what position or which position it is present. Okay, likewise you want to write a program. Can you tell me, can anyone can say that you write the program now itself?
Sir, I can
Yes,
tell.
please. Yeah, very good, very good.
Sir,
1
I can
minute.
use membership operators.
Good concept. Membership operator
We'll
is used to check whether the number is present in the list or not, right? Okay, then how
We'll
to
get the
find the
index of the
position?
elements.
Very nice.
Then
1
we
minute.
have to check in that. Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, now it is program is opening. Okay, I'm just defining A is a list. Okay, so A is list. I'm just giving. These are all the numbers. So 10 items, 10 elements are there in the list. Okay, so we want to get the user which number they want to search. So I'm just getting s equal to int of, because integer data type only. So int of input of enter the number that you want to search. search in the list. Okay, so I'm just getting this value.
The next length of the list.
Okay, so now I got the value. Now, okay, L equal to len of list. Okay, len of list I'm just giving. Len of list name is A, so I just define that is defined, that is stored in L. Okay, now what is the statement I
For
want
I
to
in
write?
range, for I in range L.
First we want to search whether the membership, whether the given number is present in the list or not. If it is
Yes,
present,
sir.
then we will go for the for loop. No, so if yes is the variable receives the value from the user, the number, correct? No, that we want to search. Yes in list name is what?
A.
What is the list? A. Okay, so if yes in A, then we need to find the position. Okay, for say the value I in range of, what is the length of
Range
list?
L.
L. Okay, so
L.
L is L is the length of the list. Definitely it will execute. Then again, how to find the position? If A of I is the value, no, I value will be A of 0. I value, what will be the I value? For example, what is the L value? What is the length of the list?
10.
10. Okay, so what may be the range function will generate? How many times the range the for function, for loop will execute?
9.
10 times. 10 times it will
times, sir.
execute.
Or
So first
10.
10 times, for example, L value is 10, no, so it will execute from 0 onwards only. No, I understood. 0 to 9, what is the number of time execution? That is 10. No, 0 1 2 3 likewise. Okay, I think another student asked. Okay, so likewise it will execute 10 times. Okay, so that time you please see that if A of I equal to which number we want to search? Yes is a searching variable, no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so if A of I is equal to yes means, then then we can print what? Print the, what is the
Position
number?
of the element.
The position of the
Position of the number.
position of the number.
You have
Number
searched
is present. Yeah, present at we can give what? Present at I plus 1. We need to give I plus 1 because I value will be started from 0 only. No, have you understood why I'm
Yes.
writing I plus 1? Somebody is putting the dot and all. Are you playing? listen. Okay, the position of the number is present at the position present at, likewise whatever statement we can write, so we can print. And
So
then
even we can write the index itself, no, sir.
where
A
the
of I itself.
index it want, for example, I want to find the number position of 1. If I simply write the I means what it will return? The 1 is present at this 0, it will tell. No, have you understood?
Sir, no, sir. I'm telling A of I, sir. So we have given the condition as A of I is equal to S, no, sir. So we can print directly the A of I itself.
A of I, it will print the number only, will print. No, A of I is what? For example, A of I.
Oh,
For example,
okay, sir. I understood, sir.
Yeah, now it is 0 means what is the A of 0? A of 0 is 1. So 1 is present. Likewise also we can write. Okay, 1 is present,
Okay,
or
sir.
the end to the position of the number is present. Likewise, whatever statement we can write. Okay, so once we completed means we need to stop the execution. Once it's found means, do you understood? So for stopping the execution, we need to give the break. Okay, because I already said the break statement, the jump statement, we should use only inside the loop. Definitely we are using the for loop. The for loop will be stopped once it is found means. Okay, then if it is not means, else, when the else part, suppose the number is not found means, then we can write the print statement. What is the thing? The number is not found. Okay, found in the list. Likewise, we can write the statement. Can you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I will save it. I'm just saving. Just giving linear search. This is called linear search. Okay, that I will explain this. This type of searching, I will explain the searching, how the searching is happening, how the search is happening. It will start from, you can see the pointer, the first line of the program. The program is started, the program is used to start from first position onwards. Okay, first index onwards, 0, it will check, 1, it will check, 2, it will check, and 3, then 4, and 5th index, 6th index, 7, 8, 9th index, till the starting to 1 to 10. Suppose if the element is present in there, for example, I want to search the 10, number 10. How many times the loop will execute, can you say? How many times the loop will execute? I want to find the 10, the number 10, I want to search, that is S value is 10. How many times the loop will execute?
10.
10, no, 9 times it want to execute, no. First it will search with 1. It is not equal. Okay, then search with 2, then search with 3, then 4, 5, 6, likewise till 9 it will execute. 10th time only it is found. Okay, final last time only the loop execution I'm asking. Okay, so last time only it found. So 9 times the loop execution is unwanted. Okay, it is a time taken. Suppose I want to search the first number 1. I want to know the number 1 is present at what position. How many times the loop will execute? How many times
Only
the
one
loop
time,
will,
sir.
yeah, only one time. First time itself, what will happen? It found the number. So the function will be, the loop will be stopped by using, because of break statement. It found it first time. Okay. So this type of searching, one by one searching, one after one searching, this type of searching is called linear search. Okay. This is called linear search. Okay. I will execute this program. Let you see this. So number you want to find. For example, I want to find the number 2. Then the position of number is present at 2. So 2 is present at the second position. 1, 2. Okay. Suppose it is an ordered thing. That's why it's showing like that. Have you understood? If it is unordered list, that is instead of 1, 5, 7, 9, 13, likewise, in unordered list also, it will be very useful to find the number. Have you understood this one? What is linear search? This concept is called linear search. Okay. Okay, I will execute this one. 1 minute. You can see the slide. Linear search be completed. Okay, linear search is to search a number, so to search a element. Okay, not a number, it may be element.